Oh, hi there, Gumboot Kids.
Let's run around. Come on, make some noise. We'll play outside. Solve some of nature's magical mysteries. We're living, loving life's adventures. Oh yeah, that's how it is.
Come on.
When you're a Gumboot Kid.
Good day, Gumboot Kids. Great to see you. I've been out in my garden a lot lately. So many projects on the go, but sometimes I lose track of time. I also seem to have lost track of my friend, a little caterpillar. He vanished. Where did he go? Well, that's today's nature mystery, the case of the vanishing caterpillar. Let's check out my field notes for 3 clues to help you solve the mystery. Clue number 1.
Oh, look! Found it!
Where there's a tree, there's a twig. Now, clue number 2. You'll have to look very closely.
Chrysalis!
Look closely now.
Chrysalis! Good find. What's inside a chrysalis?
Let's see if clue number 3 will help us with that.
Wings! That's a butterfly. Butterflies have wings. Ooh!
You did it, nature detectives! You found all 3 clues. Now connect them to solve the mystery. You found a twig, a chrysalis, and wings on the butterfly. So what's with the vanishing caterpillar?
Is there something inside a chrysalis?
Good question. The answer is yes. A caterpillar forms a chrysalis sac around itself. And once inside, it does something quite magical. It transforms into a beautiful, delicate butterfly.
I get it. The caterpillar vanished because it turned into a butterfly.
You got it.
We did it! Case closed! Yay!
Good work, Gumboot Kids. Now let's pause and have a mindful moment. Change is part of nature. Why, you yourself change a little every day as you grow. Butterflies show us that change can be beautiful and graceful. Imagine you're a butterfly. Spread your wings and move your body slowly and playfully.
With your delicate wings and your beautiful flight, you help to make the flowers bloom so bright. Butterfly, fly, fly. Butterfly, fly, fly. It's a magical moment when you appear. You rest and hide till you've got your wings and you fly. Butterfly, fly, fly. Butterfly, fly, fly. Oh, 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 oh. You and I, oh, 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 beautiful butterfly.
Being cozy in my bed reminds me of a caterpillar all curled up in a chrysalis. Maybe tomorrow I'll wake up with butterfly wings. Thanks for the magical day today, Gumboot Kids.
Good night, Scouts!
Butterfly, fly, fly. Butterfly, fly, fly. Oh, 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 oh. You and I, oh, oh, beautiful butterfly. Meet Daisy, she's got a way of making beautiful things. You never know what nature will teach her, what inspiration will bring. DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great.
Hello, Gumboot Kids.
Hi, Daisy.
I was out in my garden this morning when I spotted a butterfly perched on a flower. It inspired me to make a nature craft. Would you like to make some flower petal art, Gumboot Kids?
Yay!
Step 1. Head outside and collect some flower petals. This craft is best if the flowers are pressed. Place some flowers and leaves flat inside a heavy book. Close the book and then leave it for a while.
Look at these flowers that I pressed. They're perfect.
Step 2. Gather some paper and glue.
Here's some paper for you. Thank you. And you.
Imagine what your butterfly will look like. Step 3. Use your flower petals as the butterfly's wings. Glue them to the paper. Have fun! There's no right or wrong way to make a nature craft.
This is fun. I love nature crafts.
It can take a while for the glue to dry, but there's no rush. Once it dries, you won't even see it, and it will keep your flowers in place.
This dandelion looks really cool beside the butterfly.
Okay, Gumboot Kids, now let's see what you've made.
We all made butterflies. Pressed flowers are beautiful. What do you think, Daisy?
These are wonderful. You are all so crafty, Gumboot Kids. I've made a butterfly just like the one I saw in my garden. Oh, look, there it is now. See you later, Gumboot Kids.
Goodbye, Daisy.
DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great. With your delicate wings and your beautiful flight, you help to make the flowers bloom so bright. Butterfly, fly, fly, butterfly, fly, fly. It's a magical moment when you appear. You rest and hide till you've got your wings and you fly. Butterfly, fly, fly, butterfly, fly, fly. You help to make the flowers bloom so bright. Butterfly, fly, fly, butterfly, fly, fly. It's a magical moment when you appear. You rest and hide till you've got your wings and you fly. Butterfly, fly, fly, butterfly, fly, fly. Beautiful.